Picture this. You're sitting back on a lazy afternoon, flipping through a digital treasure trove that's not just about roofs, but about transforming you into a roofing guru. Ebooks are your secret weapon to showcase expertise, lure potential clients, and ultimately boost your business. But how do you really make these ebooks work for you? We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Today, we're digging into 10 killer strategies to create and promote ebooks that will have homeowners knocking on your door, eager for your roofing wisdom. Number 1. Create comprehensive guides. You want to dive deep into roofing topics, like comparing asphalt shingles to metal roofing. Share your real-life insights, like the time you convinced a client that metal roofing was the better investment due to its long-term durability. Make it relatable and actionable. Number 2. Offer seasonal maintenance checklists. Think of an autumn roof maintenance checklist that guides homeowners through essential steps like cleaning gutters before winter hits. Share unique tips, like dealing with overhanging branches to prevent shingle damage during storms. Number 3. Compile case studies. Showcase past projects where you tackled unique challenges, like preserving the aesthetic of a historic home while upgrading its roof for efficiency. Stories like these build trust and connect potential clients to your expertise. Number 4. Discuss roofing innovations. Highlight the latest materials and technologies, like eco-friendly solutions or smart roofing tech. Share stories about how solar shingles not only boosted energy efficiency, but also slashed a homeowner's carbon footprint. Number 5. Provide DIY tips. Offer practical advice for homeowners who enjoy tackling minor roof repairs themselves, like replacing missing shingles. Always include safety warnings and advise when to call in the pros. Number 6. Educate on warranty details. Break down complex terms like prorated and transferability, and share client anecdotes to illustrate the importance of understanding warranties. Number 7. Highlight local codes and regulations. Help homeowners navigate the maze of building codes in your area. Discuss requirements like permits and materials allowed in historical districts. Number 8. Offer budgeting advice. Provide cost breakdowns for roofing projects, share money-saving tips, and guide homeowners on budgeting without sacrificing quality. Number 9. Address common myths. Tackle misconceptions like the belief that all roofs need replacing every 20 years. Use facts and personal stories to debunk these myths. Number 10. Include visual elements. High-quality images, diagrams, and infographics make complex concepts digestible. Personalize with photos from your projects to build a connection with potential clients. The world of ebooks is vast and filled with potential pitfalls, but it's also an exciting journey that can redefine your business presence online. What's the next big step in your roofing ebook adventure? How can you further captivate your audience? To explore more about how you can connect with trusted local contractors or showcase your services as one, head over to BigHomeProjects.com. It's your gateway to building connections and ensuring you're always one step ahead in the game.